Hello children. Now previous videos were depending upon the associative property of whole numbers and integers. Now this video you will learn the associative property of rational numbers. Okay children. Now you remember which first operation we are doing? We are doing the addition. Okay. Addition on which three numbers, correct? Because we are dealing with associative property. Okay children, so we will take three numbers. Now if I am taking in the rational numbers 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. You can take any number, but it has to be rational number and then you can perform the solution. Okay children, it is not dependent on that Miss has taken these three numbers, then only it is possible. No, you can take any three numbers. Okay children, then I will give you the homework also that you have to do any another sum taking the any three numbers other than which I have taken. Okay children, so learn this video properly. Okay, watch this video properly. Now first it is addition. Addition we will take three numbers. I have taken 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. What we have to do? We have to solve this sum. Which sum it is? Here LHS and RHS. Three numbers. First we will take two numbers into bracket and in the RHS we will take the another two numbers into the bracket and then we will solve. Then after the next step will be what? We have to check whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. If it is yes, then the operation is closed under this property, otherwise it is not closed. Okay children, here remember now 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, this we have taken. So we will move how to solve this sum. So children, see what we have to do, we have to take two numbers into the bracket. I have taken Q and R into the bracket. Now children, see, remember one thing, if the teacher has taken P, Q, R as the three letters, you can take any three letters from the 26 alphabets. Okay children. Now see, Q and R are into the bracket. Here P and Q, they are into the bracket. Okay. So what is the first step? First step it is to solve this brackets. Now P is 1 by 2, Q is 3 by 2, R is 5 by 2. First step is solve this. Now see, denominator is equal. So no need to take the LCM. Okay. So numerator you will solve 5 plus 3 it is 8. So 8 by 2 and 1 by 2 as it is and plus sign also as it is. Now and the right hand side, see P and Q that you will solve first. P is 1 by 2, Q is 3 by 2. Denominator is same, so you will take numerator and you will add as it is addition sign. 1 plus 3 it is 4, 4 upon 2, then 5 upon 2 as it is. Now coming to the LHS, denominator is same, you will solve the numerator. 1 plus 8 it is 9 by 2. Same way here 4 plus 5 it is 9. 9 by 2, 9 by 2. LHS and RHS they are same. So hence here when LHS and RHS both are same, so addition is closed. If it is not, then if it is not equal to, then it is not closed. Let's see the subtraction now. Now as we have done addition, we will do subtraction, we will do multiplication, we will do division. Okay, now first we will do the multiplication. Why? I will give you the reason afterwards. For that you have to watch the video. Correct? Multiplication. See, three letters we have taken and then we will do the multiplication. Okay. Here I have taken which three letters? P, Q, R, and which three numbers? 2 by 3, minus 6 by 7 and 4 by 5. On the right hand side, P and Q, see 2 by 3 and minus 6 by 7. This we have taken first and then 4 by 5 is the next one. So first we will solve this. Minus 6 into 4 it is minus 24 and 7 into 5 it is 35. So first step it is 2 by 3 into minus 24 by 35. Answer is minus 48 upon 105. Now RHS we will take here. 6 into 2 it is 12 and plus into minus is minus 12. 7 into 3 into 7 or 7 into 3, answer is 21 into 4 upon 5. So answer is minus 48 upon 105. Now you can see as LHS and RHS both are equal, so multiplication is closed under this property. Now let's see the subtraction and the division. Okay children, subtraction Same method, instead of the addition and multiplication sign, we will keep the subtraction sign and we will check for the 3 numbers. We will take any 3 numbers. Okay, I have taken 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Okay. So, we will see how it is happening. Now, P minus into bracket Q minus R is equals to P minus Q minus R. First step is to solve the bracket. Now, here it is 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, that we will solve. The first step is write 1 by 2 as it is, subtraction sign as it is, then do the bracket. Here see plus minus minus and sign of the greater. First check whether denominator is same or not. So, yes, the denominator is equal. So, directly solve the numerator. 3 minus 5, answer will be minus 2. Why minus 2? Because the greater number is negative. So, answer will be in negative. Minus 2 divided by 2. On the right hand side, how it is? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Denominator is same. So, we can solve the numerator. And minus r by 2. So, minus 5 by 2. First, we will solve this bracket. Now, see here plus 1 and minus 3. So, answer will be plus minus minus sign of the greater. Here greater number is 3. So, here with sign of the greater number it is negative. So, answer will be negative. 1 minus 3, answer is minus 2. So, minus 2 upon 2 minus 5 by 2. Here when you are solving this bracket, here outside the bracket it is subtraction. Outside the bracket, if subtraction sign is there, the inside the bracket the sign will change. Here minus and here minus. Minus into minus, then answer is plus with the sign plus. So, answer here is plus 2 upon 2 and here 1 upon 2. On the right hand side, see minus 2 minus 5. Here sign will not change, as outside the bracket there is no sign. No sign means there is the sign of plus only. Okay. So, sign inside the bracket will not change. Sign inside the bracket only changes when there is a subtraction sign outside. Okay, children, remember this. Now, minus 2 as it is, minus 5, denominator is same. So, upon 2. When we will solve this LHS, 1 plus 2 it is 3 divided by 2. Here it is minus 2 and minus 5, answer will be minus 7, as minus minus plus, but sign will be negative. So, 2 and 5, answer will be 7. 3 by 2 and minus 7 by 2, they are not same. So, they are not equal, hence the subtraction is not closed under the property of associative. Understood, children? So, remember, addition was closed, multiplication was closed, subtraction not closed. Now, we will see whether division is possible or not. Now, division, same process, we will take 3 letters, take 3 any numbers and we will divide the numbers. Now, here I have taken 1 by 2 as P, Q as 3 by 2, R as 5 by 2. Now, we will see whether it is possible that they are that the LHS and RHS both are equal or not. P divided by into bracket Q divided by R is equals to P divided by Q, that is in the bracket, outside the bracket it is divided by R. Now, first step it is to first substitute the values. Okay. 1 by 2 divided by Q was 3 by 2 and R was 5 by 2. On the right hand side also the first step which will be to substitute the values. Okay. Then the next step it is to solve the bracket. Okay. Now, children, remember, division directly you cannot solve if there are rational numbers. Okay. So, what you will do, you will convert into multiplication by changing the right hand side's values into numerator and denominator. See what I told. Here division sign is there, after division sign 5 by 2. Now, I have to remove this division sign, I will keep the multiplication sign. Okay. Now, keeping multiplication sign, I will change the numerator and denominator of the number which is after the division sign. So, after division is 5 by 2, I will change numerator and denominator. Okay. So, here denominator is 2. So, in the next step denominator will be not 2, numerator will be 2 and denominator here it will be 5. So 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. Other things you will keep it as it is. Okay. Similar way on the right hand side you will do the same thing. You have to remove this division sign, so you have to keep the multiplication sign and you will change the numerator and denominator. So here 3 by 2, it goes to the when you are doing the multiplication, it will be what? 2 by 3, and other things you have to write it as it is. Now when you are solving the LHS, how you will solve? Here 1 by 2 you will write as it is. Okay. Now 2 and 2 gets cut, as 1 is in denominator, another 2 is in numerator, so it directly get cancelled. Now what is left? 3 upon 5. See, 1 by 2 divided by 3 upon 5. Now children, what I told you, have to remove this division sign, so you will convert this numerator and denominator, you will interchange. So when you are keeping multiplication sign, it will be what? 5 upon 3. So 1 by 2 into 5 upon 3. Same way on the right hand side you will do. 1 by 3 is left, as 2 and 2 get cancelled. Multiplication, what you will do? If here division, multiplication of here, it will be 2 upon 5, not 5 upon 2. If you are keeping the division sign, then it will be 5 upon 2. If you are keeping the multiplication sign, then change the numerator and denominator. Okay children, now LHS and RHS, that we will see whether equal or not. 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 3 is 6. On the right hand side what it is? Here 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 5 is 15. Now see, LHS and RHS both are not equal. Here it is 5 upon 6 and on the right hand side it is 2 upon 15. So children, division also is not possible. So which operations are possible? Addition and multiplication for the associative property of rational numbers. Subtraction and division, that is not possible. So if in the questions, in the objective it is asked, okay, so you should remember that addition and multiplication is closed under the associative property of rational numbers. Which others, the subtraction and the division is not at all possible. Okay children, so revise this video again, watch this video again, and if any doubts are there, you can contact me. Okay, thank you children.